How does the accessibility tree help web accessibility? Imagine building a house that looks beautiful but has no doors or windows for others to enter. That's what a website can be like if it isn't accessible. Today, let's explore how the accessibility tree makes your website friendly for everyone. When you create a web page, you use HTML to set up its structure and content. The browser then turns this into something called the Document Object Model, or DOM, which helps it display the page visually. But for people who use screen readers or other assistive tools, the browser creates a special version called the accessibility tree. Think of this tree as a simplified map that highlights only the important parts of your page for accessibility. It filters out visual details that don't matter to assistive technologies and focuses on things like headings, links, buttons, and from fields. This way, screen readers can quickly find and read out the right information. The accessibility tree isn't something you see on your screen. It's an internal structure that browsers use to communicate with tools that help people with disabilities. When someone uses a screen reader, it pulls information from this tree, not directly from the full web page. This makes the process faster and more accurate. For beginners, it's helpful to think of the accessibility tree as a kind of guide or map that tells assistive technologies what's on your page and how to interact with it. If your HTML is clear and uses proper semantic elements like header, navigation, main, section, and footer tags, the accessibility tree will be well structured. Using proper heading levels from 1 to 6 helps organize your content clearly. Also, always label your interactive elements like buttons and links with descriptive text. If you include images, add alt text that describes what the image shows. These practices help ensure the accessibility tree contains all the necessary information for assistive tools to work well. You can even check how your page appears to these tools by using developer tools in browsers like Chrome or Firefox. These tools let you see the accessibility tree and spot issues like missing labels or incorrect roles. Fixing these issues makes your website easier for everyone to use. In short, the accessibility tree acts as a bridge between your HTML code and the tools that assist people with disabilities. By writing semantic HTML and following best practices, you help create a clear and accurate accessibility tree. This makes your website more inclusive and easier to navigate for all users. Building with accessibility in mind isn't just good practice. It opens your site to a wider audience and makes the web a better place for everyone.